Skywest 4177, current wind 280 at 29er, gust 42. I'm assuming you can't go with that?
We can go with that, Skywest 4177.
Can depart in that?
Affirmative, we can depart, Skywest 4177.
Skywest 4177, roger. Runway 36 left, taxi via Golf and Charlie. Delta 2886, just want to give you an update. They said your company in front of you said one of the signs up there heading to your left on that service road is blowing pretty hard with the wind and maybe a FOD issue, so just use caution up there.
I appreciate that. We're looking. What are the current ones again?
Current wind 270 at 25, gust 42.
Be on 4 Romeo Charlie, turn left when able, ground point 9er, good day.
Okay, left, point 9er, there has been see about 20 knot loss and short final.
20 knot loss, short final, thank you. Attention aircraft for 36 right, short final, 20 knot loss reported by Phenom.
Ground up 2873.
2873, go ahead.
Hey, for fuel, we're going to have to shut an engine down. I just want to give you a heads up so that when it does come time to move, you can factor us in for a few minutes to warm that up.
Roger.
Hey, ground, good afternoon. Leader 300, signature Alpha ready for taxi.
Leader 300, Austin ground. Current wind 260 at 24, gust 42. Can you depart with that?
Yeah, we can do that, Leader 300.
Leader 300, roger. What ramp did you say?
We're at Signature Aviation.
Leader 300, roger. It'll be Lima and Bravo. For 36 right.
So, Leader 300, runway 36 right.
That was Southwest 682. We can accept those winds for departure, so we can continue taxi when you're ready.
Southwest 682, roger. Continue via Charlie behind the Delta Embraer.
All right, continue 36 left via Charlie after the Embraer, Southwest 682.
Leader 300, Austin Tower. Leader 300, Austin Tower. Leader 300, Austin Tower. Leader 300 Tower.
Leader 300's up on tower, Leader.
Leader 300, can you make the left turn on Mike?
Yeah, we can make a left on Mike to Leader 300.
Leader 300, taxi via Mike, hold short, runway 36 right.
Mike, hold short of 36 right, Leader 300.
Wind 260 at 29, gust 42. Leader 300, runway 36 right at Mike, line up and wait.
36 right at Mike, line up and wait, Leader 300.
Leader 300, wind 260 at 26, gust 42. Fly heading 040, runway 36 right, clear for takeoff.
Heading 040, 36 right, clear for takeoff, Leader 300.
Southwest 682, Austin Tower, wind 260 at 27, gust 42, runway 36 left, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 36 left, Southwest 682.
Hey, ground, Delta 541, we're going to stop.
Delta 541, hold position there. Flexjet, hold position there. Everybody hold position on my ramp. Everybody on taxiway, Southwest, that's you, stop.
No, Leader 300, stop on the runway.
Southwest 682, hold short, 36 left, to Fable.
We are just slightly over the line, Southwest 682.
Southwest 682, roger. Just hold position.
All right, holding position, Southwest 682.
I just had a crash on the right side. It's not just the aircraft went squirrely and got into the grass. That's all the problem is right now. So everybody just stand by.
Leader 300 is boarded takeoff.
Leader 300, roger, we're rolling the trucks.
Ops 204, it's the aircraft that is exiting the runway now. They went squirrely and got into the grass by Kilo. They are trying to exit at Juliet, looks like.
Alright, copy that.
We're moving, we can get off the runway, we think, Leader 300.
Leader 300, roger. Turn left when able, and did you need any further assistance?
We don't think so. We're going to go park and check the airplane out, Leader 300, and we'll make a left here at Juliet.
Leader 300, roger. The trucks are rolling. Just contact ground 121.9. They're going to follow you to the ramp at a minimum.
All right, 121.9, Leader 300, thanks.
Command, roger, thank you. Just going to continue out there. It's the second aircraft at Juliet is the one that's the issue. I can move the first aircraft forward if that's okay with you to let him have access off of the runway.
That'll be fine. Go ahead and do that.
Flex jet, continue straight ahead onto Bravo, make the left turn and stop, please.
204, please show 36 right, close to the sign.
Hey, from the 36 right, we're actually showing the entire airport's closed right now due to this.
Copy that.
And leader 300, we are off on Juliet.
Leader 300, hold position there. They want to check you out, all the emergency vehicles off your right.
We got him in sight, the big wind gust there on the roll, leader 300.
Hey, affirmative, yeah, I saw you.
Southwest 682, we just had a little incident on 36 right, so the airport's closed for right now. We're just going to get it situated and then we'll get you going.
Okay, and you're okay with us holding our current position here at short, actually just over the line here for 36 left?
Oh, 682, affirmative, airport's closed, so we got no arrivals right now.
Okay, copy, we'll hold our position, Southwest 682.
Airport ops, let me know whenever I can start moving aircraft on the east or the west side of the airport, please.
Copy, officer.
Ground Delta 541, would it be possible to shut down here?
Delta 541, yeah, until they open up the airport again, we're not moving anybody. So go ahead and shut them both down, keep the APU running, and I'll let you know when we can start moving you again.
Emergency aircraft, this is our command. We are at your 12 o'clock. Is there anything you need?
At the moment, I think we're going to go to the ramp and inspect the plane after that wind gust, but everything seems normal on our end.
Copy that. We will follow you into the ramp.
Okay, sounds good to us.
Austin Ground, this is our command. We are okay with them moving to the ramp. We'll follow them in.
Our command, Roger, thank you. That means I got to start moving aircraft for this. And FlexJet 388, go ahead and continue down Bravo Lima to parking.
Bravo Lima to parking, FlexJet 388.
Elite 300, where you need to go.
I guess we're going to go back to signature, leader 300.
Leader 300, Roger, proceed Bravo Lima to signature.
Bravo Lima to signature, leader 300.
Delta 541, start up one engine for me so I can move you down to where you want to go.
Okay, Delta 541, we actually have our engines still on.
Okay, thanks. I'll get you moving as soon as I get those aircraft or all the vehicles out of the way.
All right, Delta 541.
Southwest 3559, if you're ready to continue taxiing.
Continue taxi, Southwest 3559.
Southwest 3559, thank you very much. Continue taxiing via Charlie.
Taxi via Charlie 36 left, Southwest 3559.
Thank you.
Ground 204.
Ops 204.
Can we confirm the aircraft in question is the first or second aircraft?
The second aircraft, it is the Challenger.
Alright, copy that.
And Ops, if you can do a runway sweep for us, like I said, he hit the grass pretty hard over there by on the left side by Lima and by Kilo.